My name is Francisco Ramirez and I work for Absolute Heating and Cooling Solutions. I'm the manager of the company. As a family-owned business, we all tend to wear a lot of hats and share the responsibility of taking care of our clients and making them feel like they're part of our family. We're very involved and hands-on when it comes to the day-to-day operation. The services we offer at Absolute, we specialize in HVAC and refrigeration, both being the residential and commercial side. And we also do a lot of remodels when it comes to like kitchens, bathrooms, stuff like that. Working with Mountainwood Homes has been a good experience for us. I think our team really enjoys working with them because they share the same values and standards that we do when it comes to take care of the client's home and making sure the job gets done right. I think scheduling the maintenance, before we get into the really cold temperatures, a lot of companies tend to be very busy at that time. Also checking, their thermostats, if they're battery powered, make sure the batteries are replaced, changing the filter pretty often, and just checking that all their ductwork and all the registers are getting good airflow.